guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make strawberry jam recipe. I love to make this recipe very often because this is very easy to make. This is a very simple recipe without any added preservatives or added colors. So let's get started. Now let me introduce the ingredients to you. For this recipe, of course, we need fresh strawberries, sugar, and half a lemon juice. So guys, now it's chopping time. So let's start chopping our strawberries. To begin with, I'm going to remove this green part from the strawberries because we'll not be needing this part. So just rough chop the strawberries, that's enough. Just rough chop it in this way and do the same to the remaining strawberries. Just chop this in this way, rough chop it. So guys, let's add the chopped strawberries into the pan. Into this, I'm going to add the lemon juice of half a lemon, the sugar, and give this a mix. Now I'm going to close this with a lid for about 5 minutes and then I'll be opening this.
5 minutes later.
Yes, it's been 5 minutes. Let's open this. As you can see here, the sugar has started to melt and the strawberries have started to release the water. This is the right stage. This is what we want now. So just mix this once. No need to mix this throughout, guys. You can now keep mixing this in between.
10 minutes later.
This is how this looks after 10 minutes of cooking.
30 minutes later.
Guys, it took me 30 minutes to prepare this jam. Jam is in the right consistency now. I'll show you the consistency. This is the right stage. This is not runny. This is the right stage and the jam is done now. So we can turn this off. And once this cools down, you can really store this. Guys, though this took me 30 minutes to prepare, this is worth the time. It's not only because of the taste, but we haven't added any added preservatives or other colors into this. So that's what makes this recipe a great one, a healthy and tasty one. So while adding white sugar, please make sure to add sulfur-free one. And if you don't like to see these strawberry chunks in your jam, you can actually mash this with a masher. But I like to have this in this way with the chunks. They really taste better. The lemon juice we have added in this recipe act as pectin and they really help to preserve this recipe, this jam recipe, for a long time. That's why we add lemon juice in this recipe. Otherwise it's optional. You can also skip lemon juice and it will stay good for 2 to 3 weeks. But when we add lemon juice in this, we can actually keep this for nearly 1 month in the fridge. Guys, our jam has cooled down and it's ready to be stored now. So I'm going to store this in this jar. This is a sterilized jar. So I'm storing this in. Guys, this can be stored for nearly 1 month. Please do try this and let me know your feedback in the comment box. Once you try this, you will never buy jams from the stores, because this is not only about the taste, this is way more healthier than the one we get from the stores, and your children are going to love this for sure. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do try this.